Welcome back to the channel. This particular video is part of our playlist called Learn English Vocabulary. It is dedicated to helping you improve your understanding and use of the many exciting English nouns in existence. Learning new words, and more importantly, how to actually use the words, is a lot of fun. That's exactly what we're going to do today. In today's video we are going to learn about the word day. The word day is one of the most frequently used words in the English language, which is why it has made its way to our top 100 list of most commonly used English nouns. Also, towards the end of the video, I will provide you with a short exercise, so you can test your understanding of today's video. Before we get started, do consider helping us. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, comment, give a like, and hit that notification button. This way we can continue providing you with more educational videos like this one. The English noun day has a long and varied history. It can refer to a period of time that is marked by the rotation of the Earth on its axis, as in I'll see you in a couple of days. It can also refer to a specific point in time, as in I was born on a hot summer day in July. In addition to these general uses, day has a number of more specific meanings and collocations. One common use of day is to indicate a period of time that is devoted to a particular activity or event. For example, we might speak of election day or picture day at school. The word day is often used in combination with other nouns to describe a particular type of event or activity. For example, we might speak of a fun-filled day at the beach, or a busy day at the office. Another common use of day is to describe a particular period in history or the past. We might speak of the days of ancient Rome, or the halcyon days of youth. In these cases, day is often used in combination with adjectives such as ancient, halcyon, or golden to describe the particular time period being referred to. Verbs that are commonly used with the noun day include spend, enjoy, and remember. As an example, we might say I spent the day at the beach, or we enjoyed a day of hiking in the mountains. The verb remember is often used in combination with day to refer to a specific point in time that is significant or memorable in some way. For example, we can say I'll always remember that day we spent at the lake. But it doesn't stop here. There are many other uses and meanings of the word day as well. It can refer to the period of time between sunrise and sunset, as in I like to get up early in the day. It can also refer to a particular period of time in the future, as in I'm looking forward to the day when I can retire. In addition, day can be used to indicate the present time, as in I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now, I'm in the middle of something. On top of these more general uses, day has a number of more specific meanings and collocations. For example, it can be used to describe a particular period in the life of a person or animal. We might speak of a person's golden days. Day can also be used to indicate a particular stage or period in a process or project, as in the early days of the company. In the field of science, day can be used to describe a particular period of time in relation to a planet or other celestial body. For example, the length of a day on Venus is much longer than the length of a day on Earth. Day can also be used to describe a particular period of time in relation to the activity of a particular organism. We might speak of a day in the life of a bee. In addition to all of these uses, day can also be used to indicate a particular time of day, as in daytime or nighttime. It can also be used to describe the weather or the general condition of the atmosphere, as in a sunny day or a rainy day. There are many idioms and expressions that make use of the word day as well. For example, it is possible to say, "It's a good day to be alive," or "I'll cross that bridge when I come to it." The phrase day and night is used to describe something that happens continuously, without interruption. The expression in the day is used to refer to a time in the past, while the expression these days is used to refer to the present time. Here are 10 complementary examples making use of either day or a similar time adverbial. I'm so tired, I could sleep for a week. The festival only happens once a year, so don't miss it. I can't believe it's already been a month since we graduated. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. We're going to have a barbecue on Sunday. I'm going to spend the day at the library studying for my exams. I'll always remember that day we spent at the lake. I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now. I'm in the middle of something. I'm looking forward to the day when I can retire. I like to get up early in the day to get a head start on my work. This takes us to a couple of comprehension questions to today's video. You have about 30 seconds to write down the answer to each question. Good luck. What does the noun day typically refer to? How is the noun day often used in combination with other nouns? What verbs are commonly used with the noun day? Can day refer to a specific point in time in the past? Can the word day refer to a specific point in time in the future? In what ways can day be used to describe the present time? Let's have a look at the answers to each of the questions. The noun day typically refers to a period of time marked by the rotation of the Earth on its axis, or to a specific point in time. Day is often used in combination with other nouns to describe a particular type of event or activity, or to describe a particular period in history or the past. Verbs that are commonly used with the noun day include spend, enjoy, and remember. Yes, day can refer to a specific point in time in the past. Also, day can refer to a specific point in time in the future. Additionally, day can also be used to indicate the present time, for example, by saying I'm in the middle of something. In conclusion, the English noun day is a multifaceted and versatile word with a wide range of meanings and uses. It can refer to a period of time marked by the rotation of the Earth, a specific point in time, a particular stage or period in a process or project, a particular time of day, or the general condition of the atmosphere. Day is often used in combination with other nouns, adjectives, and verbs to give more specific meaning and context to the word. Whether we're talking about the past, present, or future, the word day is an important and integral part of the English language. Thank you very much for finding the time to watch today's lesson. It is recommended that you watch this lesson a couple of times, as this helps you further your language skills even more. If this video provided you with some value, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like and hit that notification button. This way you will never miss another video from us. Take care and see you in the next video.